Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the last time I tried to make Nigerian masa, it was a fail because I think maybe I used the wrong rice. I'm not sure, but today I'm in the kitchen trying to make the Nigerian masa again, and this time I hope not to fail, so stay with me. So this is what I'll be using: the cooked basmati rice and the soaked basmati rice. I used 1 cup for this and 1.5 cup of this, and I have my baking powder, my yeast, instant yeast, my salt and sugar, and of course the blender. So that's all we need for this. So let's get cooking.
Look at our politicians for this nation. True story. They wanna put me down. Every to them no competition. Look at our politicians for this nation.
Just enough water to blend it. So take this out. Now time to blend.
Someday you go need person support. No they form, no they stress, no they. They wanna put me down. Every to them no competition. Look at our.
Now we add our yeast. Actually, we'll put a tablespoon of yeast or a teaspoon. This should be enough. Then we'll blend it.
Look at our politicians for this nation. True story.
So we blend it until it is smooth, as you can see. Now pour it into our bowl. Nice, a very nice consistency. So hopefully this time it will be a very good masa, not like the last time. Okay.
They wanna put me.
So I'm trying to get everything out. I guess this is the best we can do. So now cover it for at least 2 to 3 hours. Some people keep theirs for more than 8 hours or so, but we keep ours for 2 hours. So cover it. Put a cloth around it. So we'll keep this for 2 hours, and the next time you see me, we'll add our baking powder and we'll fry it. So it's been 3 hours and let's see. It looks Okay, not bad. I guess we can work with this. So now we add our baking powder and sugar.
They wanna keep me down. Every to them na competition. Look at our politicians.
Well, brothers and sisters, fortunately, it was another massive fail. This is the second time I failed in making waina or masa. What am I doing wrong? I guess I'll have to call someone to confirm, and I'll get back to this video because I definitely have to get it right. So see you guys later. Peace.
They wanna put me down. Every to them na competition. Look